Mr. Justice V. Ramasubramanian, Judge, Supreme Court, one of the esteemed dignitaries of the day, is no guest to this court. He is and has been a father figure to the Madras High Court, and we all look up to him with respect and admiration for his profound knowledge and mastery over the law, and his erudite judgments laced with wit and wisdom. We now welcome him to deliver the special address.
Honorable Chief Justice of India, Honorable Chief Minister of the State, my esteemed brother, Honorable Justice Sundaresh, Honorable Justice Bhandari, the Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, the Honorable Law Minister, the Learned Advocate General for Tamil Nadu, the Chairman of the Bar Council, Co-Chairman of the Bar Council, former Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice Sadasivam, former Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, Honorable Justice Pal Vasantakumar, former judges of this court, present judges of this court, law officers, the respected bureaucrats, the learned additional advocates generals, my dear friends of the legal fraternity. One of the greatest advantages of standing in front of the mic is that you can remove the mask after a long time. But it does not mean that I would continue to occupy the rostrum for having the benefit of not being with the mask. While welcoming me and the Honorable Justice Sundaresh, the Chief Justice of the Madras High Court mentioned that we too are the sons of the soil. But I should mention that the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri Justice N.V. Ramana, is also in a way the son of the soil. This is because of the fact that the place from where he hails was originally part of the Madras Presidency. Therefore, we can appropriate him to Tamil Nadu. And this will not certainly attract the offense of misappropriation. The relationship between Telugu and Tamil has been excellent and extraordinary. As a matter of fact, the first Chief Justice of this High Court, Justice P.V. Rajamannar, who held the office for a record period of 13 years from 1948 to 1961, was a Telugu person. And the record that he created was that Justice P.V. Rajamannar was the son of Justice P. Venkatramana Rao, who was also the Chief Justice of this High Court from 1935 to 1942. And another record created by that family was that when Honorable Justice P.V. Rajamannar was the Chief Justice of this High Court, his father Venkatramana Rao was the Chief Justice of the Mysore High Court, and his brother-in-law Koka Subba Rao was the Chief Justice of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. It was from that Andhra Pradesh High Court that he went on to become the Chief Justice of India in 1966-67. Therefore, it is only the Tamil land which has produced a lot of Telugu Chief Justices. I am not saying it for the purpose of asking you to reciprocate now. I am saying it as a matter of fact. Therefore, in fact, when the Honorable Chief Justice of India entered the Chief Justice's chamber, he said, Justice Ramasubramanian never invited me to this court. I should tell you, my Lord, the Chief Justice of India, that I was waiting for a very apt opportunity to invite you to this court, and today happens to be the most appropriate and auspicious day, being the first anniversary of your assumption of office as the Chief Justice of India. Insofar as the performance of judiciary in Tamil Nadu is concerned, for the benefit of the audience, I would say only two sentences as complete. because as a matter of fact, the Chief Justice of India was to go by about 12:50 or 12:55. So I don't think we should delay. In the website of the Madras High Court, you will find a particular reference called case clearance rate. The number of cases filed in a particular year, the number of cases disposed of, and the percentage of disposal. If you go to that particular icon and click that case clearance rate, you will find that Tamil Nadu Judiciary ranks among the top performers of the Indian judiciary. In fact, in the year 2021, the number of cases filed in the Madras High Court was 1,33,766, and the number of cases disposed of by the Madras High Court was 1,46,244, which means our case clearance rate is 109%. 113. Then I think Chief Justice will have to correct the website and not me. Because the website says it is 109%. And insofar as the subordinate judiciary is concerned, the case clearance rate has consistently been more than 90%, which is a record for the entire country. Therefore, as part of the judiciary, we have been performing our part. Out of the three pillars of democracy, one pillar has showcased its part, and it is for the other two pillars to showcase their part. That is the message which I wanted to convey. Today I am happy to see that a lot of benefits are being distributed to the lawyers. As a lawyer, I knew the difficulties of lawyers, and I always used to remember what Ramachandra Kavirayar, one of the greatest poets of Tamil, said. He said, how can we lead our lives? Kallaittan, Mannaittan, Kaichittan, Kudikattan, Karpittana, Illaittan, Punnaittan, Yanakuttan, Kudututtan, Rakshittana, Allaittan, Sullittan, Yaraittan, Novattan, ஐயோ எங்கும் பல்லைத்தான் திறக்கத்தான் பதுமத்தான் புவியில்தான் பண்ணினானே என்று சொன்னார். அதுதான் பொதுவாக வழக்கறிஞர்களுடைய நிலை என்பதை உணர்ந்து தமிழ்நாடு பார் கவுன்சில் இன்றைக்கு அரசோடு சேர்ந்து ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய உதவியை வழக்கறிஞர்களுக்கு செய்ய முன்வந்திருக்கிறது. எனவே அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you for the